Yo, it's your boy, Free Truth Ray. Another edition of the Road Certified Show. You see me, I'm with Mr. Yeah, I mean, better
Everything
bang up what you got talking about. Yeah, I mean, the hardest working man in the city, Pete, Liddy, yeah, I mean, the Lady Steph. Listen, this the Big Play Dre Duce edition. You know we got Homecoming, Hell Real. You know, we got my man Sells coming through in the ninth and then hosting this thing.
Knock him out the park. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I mean, so you already know he about to entertain the hell out you. Crazy.
Everybody.
Please roll up something. You about to see a whole lot of dope ass artists. I'm talking about it's about to get bananas in this joint.
So we get it down the Duce way. There's no other way but the Duce way. You know what I mean? We got Flavor Team in the building.
Yes.
We outside. Philly United. Gas Station Radio. Everything Sells Productions. Listen, man. Big Play Dre put this shit together, man. Listen, man. Shout out to my boy Duce Nay. Shout out to Capone. Shout out to my man Hell Bro. We got a couple other people flying through, man. It's about to be an epic situation.
You already make sure it's
a movie, baby.
Yeah, you know we got who the shooter shooting, so it's about to get crazy.
Who the shooter? I don't know who the shooter is. Who the shooter? You don't know who the shooter is?
You don't know who the shooter is, but he definitely put it together.
You
so
already.
Like I said, man, please roll something up.
Are you certified?
Yeah, I mean, roll something up. We got some gas facts for you because we know I got that Kush Mints up in my joint. Yeah, I mean, you definitely want to know what we smoking. Lady Steph definitely got the gas facts for you. You know what I mean? And here it is, you know. Take this round with your mother going upstairs, nigga.
Murder Season 2. What's your thoughts on the game? Cause I feel like I'm the realest. Cause I go the hardest and I specialize in real shit. Real shit, how you know it's real? Cause you can feel it. All up in your soul and busting through your feelings. The millions, got them from the floor to the ceiling. Shout out to the Flavor King, yeah we in the buildings. We build it, you run out the room, we got to build it. Needed me a foundation so I had to build it. Straight from the ground up, had to turn my sound up. Like my fists in the air, had to raise them pounds up. Big weight, plug shit, yeah I got them pounds up. Your girl on my line talking about I could pound her. Nickname, hashtag, all I do is pound her. And she getting butterflies when I be around her. Whole clique in the huddle like we did a roundup. 2 2 3s, 50 shots, yeah I got my rounds up. Look at all the crime and the drugs that surround us. Yeah they try to flood us out, but they can't drown us. Yeah I'm talking way back, yeah they try to clown us, but homie don't play that. So I let my pound bust, put them where the graves at. Leave a nigga down, bruh, laying in the Maybach, blowing on that loud, bruh. You ain't got the heart to really put a nigga down, bruh. Swimming with the sharks and you little niggas flounder. Yeah, you got a Fendi belt, okay nigga, now what? Yeah, you got a Gucci watch, okay nigga, now what? You ain't really real, you just talking just to sound tough. And real niggas laughing at you, you be doing clown stuff. Go ahead and raise your voice, cause them gunshots louder. Where I'm from, that gay shit and that ratting ain't allowed, bruh. Had to chase my dream and flip that green off allowance. 19, I entered parenthood like Robert Townsend. Made a name for myself, moving through the towns. Set up shop around 12, selling out around 10. If you spend about 5, then you get around 10. Had it in when every other hood was droughtin'. And I had them bopping off the floor, I had them bouncing. Booty shaking everywhere, had them bitches bouncing. NBA number checks, no it ain't bouncing. Soup gon' send a C soon as he mixing down and bouncing. They gon' hear it, they gon' feel it, they gon' love it, okay? What you saving for a year, I could blow in a day. Money falling like leaves, just blowing away. Light them up like candles and I blow them away. They gon' hear it, they gon' feel it, they gon' love it, okay? What you saving for a year, I could blow in a day. Money falling like leaves, just blowing away. Light them up like candles and I blow them away.